The taking of U.S. technology is a symbolic victory for the Taliban. As the Taliban came to power across Afghanistan, it seized millions and billions of dollars from U.S. military equipment that had previously belonged to Afghan forces. Between 2003 and 2016, the U.S. provided Afghan forces with 208 aircraft, according to the U.S. Government Accountability Office. The U.S. gave the Afghan military an estimated $28 billion in weaponry, including guns, rockets, night vision goggles, and even small drones for intelligence gathering. According to current reports, 4 Black Hawk helicopters appeared to be in the Taliban's control at a cost of $10 million each. They are using up to 40 aircraft, potentially including UH-60 Black Hawks, Scout attack helicopters, and Scan Eagle military drones. There were also more than 23 usable A-29 Super Tucano attack planes, some of which had been upgraded to drop laser-guided bombs. The Taliban has also inherited 11 well-planned military bases equipped with the latest weapons and gadgets, as well as its own air force. United States had provided the Afghan National Army with more than $212 million in major equipment items, including 174 M1151 HMMWVs, better known as Humvees, at a total cost of $41 million. The current intelligence assessment was that the Taliban are believed to control more than 2,000 armored vehicles. Forbes reported that in the month of June alone, the Taliban captured 700 trucks and Humvees. Since 2003, the United States has provided Afghan forces with at least 600,000 infantry weapons, including M16 assault rifles, 162,000 pieces of communication equipment, and 16,000 night vision goggle devices. The Taliban have already been using sophisticated military equipment that they have captured from Afghan national security forces in recent years.